Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the phone and removing any case or screen protector so you can inspect the glass and edges. Once done, look for visible cracks, debris, or moisture. These cause ghost touches. You then boot into safe mode or recovery to quickly determine whether an app is triggering input, because software faults mimic touchscreen faults. Make sure to record any recent installs, they may be the culprit. If nothing obvious appears, proceed to cleaning and diagnostics immediately. You clean the display with a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl. Gentle circular motions remove oils and conductive residue that cause phantom input. Once clean, power down and, if comfortable, open the back to check and reset the display ribbon cable. Loose connectors often create erratic touches. Next, boot into the phone's diagnostic or run a touch test app to map false inputs, which helps locate the problem area. If you see continuous ghost points, note their positions before moving to repair steps. You decide between repair or replacement based on damage. If the digitizer or glass is cracked, you replace the screen assembly. That fixes most hardware ghosts. Once replaced, update firmware and test thoroughly. If software persists, back up and perform a factory reset only after confirming backups, because resets clear persistent software causes. Finally, test for at least 24 hours. If ghost touches remain, isolate using an external display or seek professional service. This is the key troubleshooting step when
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.